Hey guys, so today we're making slime.
Let's hope it works, because look at this ratchet activator.
Let's have a song competition and have your mom rate whose slime is.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, me too.
Okay, so we actually don't have any like extra fun little like things to add in. We just have glue
Yeah,
and then
Kimmy
this.
does have her like little like shaving cream thing.
I'm scared.
Anyway, it's working.
Okay. Oh, then I'm gonna put more.
I'm kind of nervous. It smells.
This is not gonna
Where'd
work.
my glue go? Callie, you just used my glue. You better give me yours.
How do I do this? That was a lot.
Guys, I hate the sound that it's making when it's like scrap.
I need more.
Ooh, yeah.
We don't really know what we're doing. And yeah.
Can you not block it?
Yeah, I can keep putting
Yeah,
it right in front of Callie. Actually, I need more. What the frick? How'd yours work?
You just gotta mix it. Ew, why did I look devious?
Guys, what if we get like checked as like the people who copy like the Caligari sisters and we're like, look at these losers. That's not Sunday, that's Monday.
That's not Ellie, that's Smelly.
Look in the mirror, shock of the bullets. Oh damn, I like my bullets.
Wait, what was the one that I said to you about this side? Hey, mine looks good. Guys, next video we are going to be making the Delgona Squid Games cookie.
No, we can do it in animation. We can.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh,
Guys, my breath smells like coffee.
thanks.
Oh
Wait.
no, I need a napkin.
Just embrace it.
Ooh, yeah.
Motivation.
You're gonna get copyrighted.
I said motivation.
We're looking like we're like posing to be in an edit.
This is really tiring.
I'm sorry to hear that. I thank you guys.
Motivation.
Oh, yes.
Good slime on me. I'm gonna fight.
One time I was making slime.
I had to cut my hair to my shoulders.
And
I got it. You're covering my slime.
I'm sorry.
In.
And I think Kimmy got slime in my hair.
Yeah, and then you started crying.
What was this?
I got slime in
You
her
weren't
hair. I forgot when that was.
Wait, can someone put something?
Okay, Sophia.
I'm really sorry.
Can someone put some activator in my hands, please? Oh wait, there's some.
Activator on my hands too.
Sorry, I can't. Alright, I got it all over the table.
Mine is too gluey. I need more.
You know what?
No.
Your ring, Sophia. Oh, I actually need an activator.
Okay. Freaking.
What? You didn't pour any in mine. Sophia, I'm not kidding.
Okay, why is time on my hands too?
Well, no, please. So, can you please? Oh, it's just
If you
not-
push the button, I'll.
No, I can't.
Okay, good.
No,
Good. Guess one that's Callie.
push it more.
I can't.
Push it good. Okay, that's good.
That's Kelly.
There's not more left out in my life.
If you get that on me, I'm gonna.
Shut up. Guys, yes. Guys, look at this.
Mine's. Oh, mine feels like Jello.
Okay, I have to put it on the table.
Oh guys. I need someone to give me activator.
Yours isn't even bad. Sophia!
Sorry. Okay, guys, this is not working.
Well, that's just because you don't have slime hands.
I do, but this is not.
Are you sure? Because it wouldn't look like
Well,
that if you have
look
blue
at
hands.
this.
Look at me and Callie's and yours.
Okay, but I need activator.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Here, do you want some? I'll actually be a good friend to you.
It's gotta go down more. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
You're getting all in my bowl.
Can you go?
Can you put it down more?
Thank you.
I don't want Sophia. Ew.
Guess who's the messy one here? Yeah, you should have seen her in Target. I don't think I can ever recover from that.
Mine.
Yeah, she went up to a random person and said, "Honey, do you want to see something cool?"
Honey, you wanna see something cool?
Spin around and did the splits in the middle of Target to someone random. You're very like claustrophobic. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, Sophia's all up in my business.
Sorry. I need more activator.
More?
Yes.
It's fine, just need it.
That makes it even harder. I'm like, yeah, next. And when something like this.
Okay, you're really. Can you like sit down, please?
No.
Get that out of here.
Ew. So this is not gonna be like good. It's gonna make
Yours is gonna turn out like cottage cheese.
No, it's not.
It will. Look at what you did. Can you like pick up?
Oh my god!
Oh my god, you looked like a monkey when you did that.
Yeah. Okay, period. I ate.
Literally.
Literally and physically. Wait.
That didn't make any sense, so frick you.
I want that bearded dragon. Okay, just block my slime, Cammy. I just see how it is.
Go ahead.
I said, block it into.
I'm definitely keeping that in. Get in what you don't keep in.
Okay. Everyone here is fake. No, don't
Why
delete
is
that
that so
question.
big?
Because you added,
You added the whole bottle of glue.
You didn't?
Guys, I just remember I have a gallon of glue at my house.
Me too. But then my mom threw it away because I got slime all over
I
the
did my
walls.
dad's house.
Yeah.
The walls.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my name's Sophia.
Embarrassing.
Lola. Okay, go, Cammy. Oh, I just did it for you.
Okay, well. Okay, what's your name?
Callie. Callie.
Anyways.
Callie.
I'm trying to be nonchalant with it. Sophia, what is your, like, what's like your favorite thing in the world? And don't say food.
You.
My favorite thing is actually my dog.
Oh.
Insert a picture.
Wait, I'm gonna see a picture of your.
Your dog looks like a Okay,
favorite thing.
whose dog is cuter? Pearl or Scarlet?
Pearl.
Or Ollie.
Ollie.
Okay.
I like Ollie the best. Alright, so we're talking about our dogs.
I think they know because I'm gonna insert a picture.
I like
Guys,
I like
talk about our
Sophia's bearded dragon the most.
I think it's like 20 years old.
Should we insert a picture?
Yeah, I already did it.
Oh. Guys, okay, now we're gonna each make a swizzle. We have.
Are you joking? It's called a swirl.
And we have 20 minutes.
All right.
20
minutes to make a swizzle?
Okay, make your swizzle.
My slime's not even done yet. It's still sticky.
It's getting. Oh, never mind.
Oh! Okay, I'm embarrassed that I just did this.
Oh, like.
Okay.
Ew, Cammy.
was fun.
Sophia, why was you?
I was trying to get my ring on.
That was you.
Come on, I swear.
I'm gonna cut the clips of you saying.
Like the first set. Okay, swirl. Oh, that's bad.
Oh, mine 8. Kimmy,
Mine is
yours
sweet.
is just like melting.
Face. Like I felt.
How do I spit in your face?
You
like
so
I
when the
was
first
thinking-
challenge and it like went in my.
My uncle's gonna come and get me.
When?
You're gonna get lost.
After we finish this
Move, move.
Wow.
Oh!
What the fart? What the fart?
Okay.
That is really fire.
Oh, I sound the same.